You can get a caraway card if you're caught following the caraway. For example, throwing away someone else's trash when they didn't throw it away themselves. Or, if the teacher's needing help in the classroom after class ends, you can help her by putting down some chairs. Or, help her sort through her papers.
Hi, Miss Showers. Would you like some help putting down these chairs?
Yes, please. Yes, thank you. Avian, wait.
Yes.
Thanks, Avian. That is the KR way. That is the KR way. Thanks,
Thank
man. Appreciate it.
Have a nice day. Super.
So you made this essay like a week ago?
Yeah, we had to do it in English.
We did like annotated stuff for soapstone. So, like, do I have to do it in my English class?
It just really depends, because like I had Dacus and he had us, like it's from a movie and we had to read it and like fully annotate and do soapstone. I slowly breaks about friends. And he was like talking about how
Well, I don't think I'm gonna actually need this because I don't have Mr. Dacus.
that's super true. Yeah.